This is the upstairs of the Hostel of Maine. Right down the highway, lovely entrance. Supply little store in there. The office. This is the eating area. Fridge with some stuff in it. And then the kitchen. It's really quite nice. Good morning. Today's 13th of September.
And we're staying at Hostel of Maine for the last 2 nights. So they were slack packing, so we've got like a third of our pack weight. And we're going up the Bigelows, and we're just on our ascent to Little Bigelow, and thought we'd do a morning video here showing you the mountains behind us in the east.
It is quite beautiful here. It's overcast. It's supposed to rain today, so it's a good day to do a slack pack.
Yeah.
Hopefully
it's only our second one in the whole trip, so yeah, it's our second day slack packing the whole trip.
And these are our last 4,000 footers until we hit Mount Katahdin, so we figured what a better time to do it.
Right, so we're booking it. We're just getting it out today. We vegged yesterday, so we get lots of energy, good food, and we're just booking it today.
We're going to get there as fast as we can. It's 17 miles or so.
Yeah.
But with the slack pack, light lunch, we shouldn't have a problem getting to the other end before.
About 5.
Yeah,
Open 5.
I'm thinking probably closer to 6:30 or 7,
yeah.
but that's
and
okay.
a hot bath, so I get to actually wash after this one.
Yeah, we'll get
so
to wash
nice.
after this, and we even wash out our clothes. Yeah, trail
Nasty.
laundry. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Just coming up almost to the top of Little Bigelow. And we got a really nice view of the ridgeline we have to walk today. That's Bigelow Avery, the first one in the cloud. Second one in the cloud is West Bigelow, and then the third one is the Horn, and then we got to go down the other side of that. And beyond that is the hills we've already hiked. Today we're doing slack packing and we're going northbound. Sorry, we're going southbound when we normally just go northbound. So now we're heading south over the Bigelows and the Horns, and we're just about at the top of Little Bigelow. 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 And here comes Lucy out of the mist. Or is it Lucy? Or is it some kind of monster? And we are now at the top of the Bigelow Avery Mountain. And as you can see, we have an amazing view all around us. Because the pin is right there. And there's a plaque on that rock over there. All right, we made it through the first one. 2 more to go. Bigelow West and the Horns. Bye-bye. And here we are, peak of Bigelow West. And again, with a wonderful view of the inside of the clouds. It's so amazing, so amazing. But this is our last 4,000 footer until we get to Katahdin. This is it. What do you think, Lucy? This is it?
Yeah.
Woo!
Woohoo!
There's a view. It's a lake. It's the first view we've had. As you can see the mountains. That's the Horns and the Bigelows that way. And we're right at the base of the cloud for it. But this is where we're going, down to Highway 27 down there. We're on our way down now. We're 5 miles away. Actually less than 5 miles away.
Here's the highway. You see it?
Yeah.
Oh, nice lake.
Good morning.
Good morning.
It's still morning. It's 11:30 on the 14th of September. We just left the Hostel of Maine. Very nice hostel. We did a slack pack yesterday.
Over the Bigelows.
Over the Bigelow, the last of the 4,000s until we get to Katahdin.
Took us 9 hours to do the
Took us
17
9
miles.
hours, and it was great. We got it done. We don't have to worry about it. Now we're full packed. She's at 31 pounds, and I'm at 35 pounds.
Full water, full food.
And we're
for 2
hiking on.
days. We're hiking on.
So we did a little video of the hostel this morning and stuff. And it was really nice. A wonderful hostel, wonderful people, but it's so isolated. There's nothing there.
I was fine with it, but he likes to get out. And it's a lot of vegetarian and vegan food.
It's all vegetarian.
I loved.
There was no meat there at all. Anyway, that's not meat.
Hamburgers.
Yeah, okay. So anyway, we'll chat with you later. Bye-bye. Here we are. We got a nice boardwalk. Bit of a bog. But the boardwalk is nice going through it. We're in the flat section, the flattest section we've been in probably a couple months. And it's actually been a really good day since 11 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock now. We've already gone about 8 miles. We got a couple more miles to go, and then we'll camp for the night and get ready for the Canoe River crossing with probably the most photographed and videotaped canoe in the entire world. But we'll be taking pictures of it tomorrow, we hope. Bye-bye. Good morning.
Brr.
Today is the 15th? 14th? 15th. I think it's the 15th of September. One more day and we'll be 6 full months in the States. We arrived in Atlanta on the 16th of March.
Brr.
And it was just as cold now as it was then.
Freaking cold this morning.
It is chilly this morning.
We should be summiting tomorrow. That's our plan, but it didn't work out very well.
Didn't work out well.
No.
But you know what? It is what it is. We're still motoring along. Today we're hopefully going to get on to a canoe ride.
Canoe River.
Yes.
That's
and
right.
get across that river, and then it's just home stretch all the way. It's just running. Basically running.
And we're going to start
it's
running
gonna
right
get
now.
Cold.
We stayed at a
Yes.
stealth spot next to a stream last night. We did 13.5 miles yesterday. We were tired after 17.5 miles the day before. Now we're going fast today. Bye.
It was 16 and a half miles the day before. Yesterday it was 13 miles.
13
but we
and a
did
half.
but we didn't start until 11 o'clock. So
That's
we did
right.
really well.
Right, we're
we
still
did really
talking
well
about we have to
yesterday.
walk.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye.
This is Tim's cabin. We came in for a coffee and ended up having a full breakfast. Cabin's been here for a while. Mind if I take a few pictures, video? We have a little YouTube that we're doing with family and friends. So we try to get all our trail magic. Introduce yourself, please.
Hi, I'm Peach.
Peach. And you did the trail in 2018. That's awesome. Thank you very much for your trail magic for us. And this little one's name is Charlie. Hello, Charlie. entire world. Coming in. See where that road is over there on the other side of the lake. That's where we were this morning. And we've hiked all the way around and up and up. And we're getting beautiful views. There's the Bigelows over there, the Twin Peaks. And all the mountains we've crossed. All in the distance. This is the last 3,000 footer until we hit Katahdin. Good morning.
Good morning.
It's another chilly morning, but fall is here.
Fall in Maine.
It's now the 16th, which marks the full 6 months we've been in the States.
Yeah.
Yeah, we arrived in Atlanta on the 16th of March, and today is the 16th. So we're starting into our 7th month, which is okay because we only have, what, another 8 days? No, 10 days. 10 days and we should be done. She thinks it's going to be 9 days. I think it's going to be 10 days, at least 10 days, maybe 11.
We did 18.5 miles yesterday.
We did 18.5 miles yesterday. Not because we wanted to, because we couldn't find a campsite. And poor Susan's backpack broke again. The waist belt broke on it, so now we're going to have to struggle with Z-Pack again to figure out how to get it fixed, because we still have the 100-mile wilderness to do, and we won't be in Monson, which is Shaw's, till tomorrow.
Another 24 miles with a broken backpack. Yay!
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 All right, we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. I'm standing on top of Moxie Bald Mountain. It's our last, well, it's 2,300 feet or something. And I wanted to wish a happy birthday to my mother, because today is her, I'm not going to say the age, birthday. And I wanted to show her this amazing view that I have on her birthday, but only 1 bar of LTE and I couldn't get connected. Oh wow, as you can see, it is phenomenal. Behind me is to the north, to the south. That's where we came from. I'm going around now on the bald. And there's the identifying pin that we're at the peak. And there is the north, where I'm going to. Wow. We're almost to Monson. And we have 1 hostel left to go to, and then we hit the 100-mile wilderness, and then it's Mount Katahdin. Very surreal. Very surreal. But it's noisy, windy, and it's very chilly today. So I'm going to say goodbye and happy birthday, Mother. I hope you had a great day, and I'll try and connect with you as soon as I can. Bye-bye.